What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be going over ICP as it looks like it might explode. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So this was ICP in one of my previous videos about a month ago. It was trading at $2.92, and we had it drawn on a massive falling wedge, and we called out the Class A bullish divergence. And this is ICP now, currently trading at $4.62, and at its peak, it was $4.96. And had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 70% gains in a month. And if you compare that to the stock market, where the average return is 10% in a year, that would mean we made in 1 month what the stock market makes in 7 years, which are actually pretty incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video. And don't miss out because there are some very bullish indicators. But anyways, as I said, ICP is currently trading at $4.63. Its market cap is just over $2 billion, which ranks 34th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is up to 449 million out of a total supply of 510 million. And if you're looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. I think those are the 3 easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop right into some ICP news. So this is the Dfinity Twitter, which has 678,000 followers. And they just posted 3 hours ago. It's time for the Namaste ICP on-chain night during the India Blockchain Week 2023 Bangalore. Immerse in ICP's world and discover the immense potential of internet computer. Don't miss this night of networking, fun, and innovation. And so this event will be taking place December 6th of 2023, 7 to 10 p.m. So go ahead and check this out if you're interested. And then I also want to show you guys what Dominique, who is their CEO, was saying on November 24th. The upsides for enterprise to build on Cloud 3 blockchain.
We're really just starting out on, which is to get the enterprise world building on what we call Cloud 3.0, which is a blockchain where they have a number of huge advantages. Their code doesn't get infected with ransomware. They don't need to protect it with a firewall. It's unstoppable. And where they can also put it under the control of a DAO, where the community really is the enterprise admins if they want to decentralize control, where hopefully they can bring their R&D costs down, which means they can be faster to market, innovate better, and things like that.
And I will say one of the biggest selling points of ICP to a lot of people is that it can get a lot more decentralized than most projects. Because you have to understand, a lot of projects out there that claim to be decentralized are not actually decentralized at all. Internet computer, on the other hand, truly can become decentralized. And then lastly, I want to go over what they posted November 23rd. The Gold DAO is leveraging ICP to revolutionize gold's role by creating a secure and fully compliant commodity based on physical gold existing on the blockchain and allowing for a liquid means of exchange while addressing the lack of transportability. And this is never a bad thing to see because there are a lot of people out there that love the precious metals market and gold in particular. But now we'll go over some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter. And there are 2 main things that I want to cover. The first being that the SEC commissioner says there is no reason for us to stand in the way of a spot Bitcoin ETF. And keep in mind, this is an SEC commissioner.
We have heard a lot of reporting in another matter that has gotten a lot of attention regarding a spot ETF, that there is ongoing conversations between issuers who have filed some of these applications and individuals at the SEC. And I wonder if you can shed any light on how much you as a commissioner might be involved in that, or really if this is just happening at the lower staff level at the moment.
No, again, I really can't comment on that, but I think I've been very transparent that I've thought for many years now that there is no reason for us to stand in the way of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded product.
Now, there are a lot of people out there that believe that is connected with what they posted November 21st. So the US government criminally charges Binance with the following: conspiracy, conducting unlicensed money transmitting business, and violating International Emergency Economic Powers Act. So the rumors out there right now are that the SEC is not going to approve a Bitcoin spot ETF until Bitcoin is under control. And that starts with controlling Binance, as Binance is the largest centralized exchange. And now CZ is facing 18 months in prison as part of his plea deal with the US government. Now, I do not know if the rumors are true. However, I will stand by what I have been saying, and that is that I believe the Bitcoin spot ETFs could help bring trillions of dollars to the crypto industry, as it will make it significantly easier for the older generations who have most of the money to get into cryptocurrency, and it will install a whole new confidence level within all of crypto, if the world's largest asset managers are known to actually hold Bitcoin. So this is definitely something to keep your eyes on. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll go over some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. And as I said initially, had you guys taken this falling wedge, you could have made up to 70% in a month. But anyways, what am I saying right now? The RSI was extremely overbought, but is starting to reset. And the stochastics, for the most part, have reset. Neither indicator looks too bad. Now, similar to the previous ICP explosion, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low. That is Class A bullish divergence yet again, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. Also, if you look at the moving averages, the 21-day has broken above the 200-day moving average, which is a golden cross. And typically golden crosses signal that an explosive move is coming. And price action is currently trading above the 21-day moving average. So for me personally, unless price action starts trading beneath the 21-day moving average, I'm going to be bullish on ICP in the short term. And it's actually kind of ugly, but you could argue that ICP is trading in an ascending triangle, which is a 50-50 pattern and has a measured move up to $5.93. Now, obviously measured moves do not always play out. However, based on all of the previous indicators I just listed, there is a decent chance that ICP does break to the upside. Although at the same time, just understand, ICP has went parabolic recently. And personally, I do not like to chase a parabolic move. But at the same time, anything can happen. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And the first thing I'm noticing is that the RSI is a little bit overbought. And not just on the daily time frame, but also the 3-day is very overbought. And even the weekly time frame is cooked. Also, we have had 6 green candles in a row. We have went from 26,100 to 38,000 in about a month, which definitely could be classed as a parabolic move, especially for the largest cryptocurrency. Now, I will say the one positive indicator that I am seeing right now is that you could argue that Bitcoin was trading in a bull flag and it started to break up and it has a huge measure move to around 42,000. Now, if you're just looking at this, you might say, yeah, it got rejected off of 38,000. And perhaps, however, price action is also currently using the 21-day moving average as support. And we have bounced off of there at least 4 different times. So unless we start trading beneath the 21-day moving average, this measure move is still valid. So just to be clear, right now, Bitcoin has very mixed signals. However, similar to ICP, I cannot stress enough, Bitcoin has went parabolic recently. In my experience, rarely does it work out well for you chasing a parabolic move. But obviously, do what's best for you. And as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the Bitcoin spot ETFs were to get approved, that could skyrocket the entire market. On the contrary, if Binance were to crash or something terrible happened, that could tank the entire market. So just keep an open mind. Understand in the short term, crypto is going to be extremely volatile. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.